Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Chrome. So first, you need to open your Google Chrome, as you can see on your screen right now. I'm on the home screen. Then tap on the three dots. So click these three dots at the top right corner. And then go right here on Settings. And then we just wait for a few seconds. Opening these settings, and here on the left side of your screen you can see all the settings. You need to click these languages right here. Then once you click this one, you will find all the language available on your Google Chrome. So if you want to add languages, so click this button right here, and then you can find many languages that you want to change. Now here on search languages, you can search right here. For example, I want Spanish. So click this box right here and then click on add. Now to change the language, all you need to do is click the three dots right here at the right side of that language. And then you will find right here the box. So you just click this one. Then once you click that one, you will see that relaunch button. So just click this relaunch and then wait for a few seconds until reopen your Google Chrome. Now as you can see on your screen, my language here in Google Chrome has changed to Spanish. Now if you want to put back the English language, so go right here, you find English and then three dots. So click this one, these three dots right here, and then check again this box at the top of this option. And then you need to relaunch again your Google Chrome. Now my Google Chrome came back from the original language, which is the English. Now if you click these three dots right here, you have many options to click this one. You can remove that language. So click this remove option and it will no longer use that language. Now, if you again click these three dots, you can also move that language into the top and you can also move down that language. So that's it. That's how you basically change language on Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.